Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today I'm going to show you an awesome website. It is called Meshy.ai, and this is the best website for creating 3D models. But in this case, I'm going to show you how you can take a photo and create an awesome 3D model that you can print on any 3D printer. Now, the question you're probably going to ask is this a free website? And yes, it's free to use. Now, if you actually want to download and print the models, you will have to pay for a plan. So I'm going to show you just what that might look like. So here's the plan right over here, and you can see that the Pro version, the most popular version, is about $15 a month. Now, if you sign up for a plan and use the code HUSTLE, you'll get a great discount courtesy of Meshy. So go ahead and check that out. All right, so this is what I want to do. I want to take an image and create a 3D model. So this is the image that I have. It's this awesome picture of the capybara. So I want to turn that into a 3D model that I can print. So I'm just going to select image to 3D. All right, so this screen is going to pop up. Now, as you can see all the way over to the left, I just have to drag my photo into that box. Okay, let me just drag this all the way over. There we go, it's uploaded. Now there my photo is. I've got my little baby capybara that's here. So if I want to take this and create a model, I'm just going to leave everything the way it is on here. You'll notice that I'm using the best and newest model, which is Meshy 6, and I am going to select generate, and in just a few minutes, Meshy is going to generate a 3D model. Now, as this completes the process, what I do want to share with you is that when you sign up for Meshy for the free version, you do have a certain number of credits. You can see that in order to generate this 3D model from the photo, this is 20 credits. Now there's so much more you can do with Meshy, so much that I'm not even quite sure what everything is. I just want to show you the very basic thing that you can do. This is probably the best website that I've seen to be able to take an image and automatically generate a 3D model. All right, so it looks like my model is done. Let me go ahead and check out my 3D model. All right, here it is. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the original. There is the original, and here is the 3D model. Now, some things that you'll notice that I think are so interesting is the fine texture that's on here. So you can actually see that it added the texture of the fur right up here to the, you can see, I can zoom in just a little bit. Even as the fur, like right over here. So you get a lot of very rich detail. You get a 3D model that looks very closely to the picture that you uploaded. And now what I can do is I can take this if I just want to print this out. I'm not going to worry about some of the other features. If I can click on that, I can then choose whatever format that I want, and I can download. So I would probably take an STL file. I would download that, and then of course to get to the point where you have to download, you do have to create a plan or subscribe to a plan. Again, there's the information. But again, fortunately for you, if you use the code word HUSTLE, you'll get a nice discount on whatever plan that you choose on Meshy.ai. So I am going to check this out. I'm going to be printing a whole bunch of things that I want to be sharing with you shortly so you can see exactly how great this website really is. All right, so that's it. This has been EdTech Hustle, and I will catch you next time.